Hi guys, this is Lachette, and this is the new weekly vlog for during whatever One Book July. Um, since I didn't get a lot accomplished last week, there's a lot of rollover from then. I haven't created my weekly spread yet, but scheduling more social media posts, the taxes which should be done, and harvesting my plants, moving my TV and radio, organizing Flickr photos. I did start to update my Excelsior Events Facebook page, but didn't finish. I just realized like the meat of my thumb there was in the way. Uh, as far as One Book July, like the pages I want to do are the recipe pages, so like copies of what I have digitally, and because that's the priority, and those are shorter. I already have the information, so it's not going to take forever. But if I can do at minimum one a day, I will be happy. So I'm aiming to get 7 pages done this week. And my spiritual journal. Uh, what is happening this week? Yeah, taxes are due, and this is... Oh, I've got some Etsy orders to mail out. The self-love oil is really popular right now, which I understand. Uh, I don't think I really have any events this week. This is what happens when I don't do the spread ahead of time. So I like can just glance at it. Um, Let me see my monthly spread though. Yeah, no, I don't have anything for this week. Next week is reading rush, so speaking of, so there was a book that I started Saturday, yesterday, Sunday, I mean, for Becca's Bookopolython that I want to finish. That is Freshwater by Ikweke Emezi. It's good. It's different than what I was expecting, and then also from what I've usually read. So I want to finish that, and the libraries open today. The few branches that did open. So I have a stack of books. Let me see if I can show you without you seeing like the huge ass mess of my life. That's my stack. That's my stack of library books that I had out before they closed. Somehow, well, there's like 3 really thin books at the bottom. Most of those I want to return. 2 of them I've been eyeing. Well, one I haven't finished. It's a bunch of short stories, and they're part of the Cosmere, so I need to read them in between certain series. So that I'm not returning yet. 2 others I've read and I loved, and I want to hold on to. One I want to reread. The other one I want to keep because there's going to be a live show for it soon. So, but yeah, I want to bring those books back to the library. So that's the other goal for this week. Um, so let's get started, shall we? this vlog. I didn't do much check-ins because there was nothing much to say or share. I didn't even read that many, or I should say I read a lot of fan fiction, so I didn't really read books. I did get further into Assassin's Quest, but I didn't finish it, and I'm only like chapter 8, on chapter 8, so I don't know. It's due in a day or two, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I decided to join the reading rush. I have picked out what books to fit prompts. Started out with just 3 books to fit all 7 prompts, and since the library, which I did go to physically and get physical books, you saw that, they saw fit to give me 2 physical books, and then like 2 or 3 of my ebook holds came through. I can probably use some of those or read some of those during reading rush as well, but that'll be next week's vlog. My recent reads mid-June wrap up went up. We went to the beach. The beach we went to was actually a lake, Lake Welch, upstate, about an hour from here. That was like an idea my dad came up with Friday night, so we went Saturday morning. Didn't do much of anything else other than return those library books and finish taxes, which I didn't even post on social media, or on Instagram I should say, so I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Trying to think what else did I do. That was pretty much my week. I'm gonna end this vlog here. My arm hurts and I don't have anything else to say, so oh yes, I did do 3 spreads for my spiritual journal. 1 book July, not the 7 I wanted to do, but the next spreads I want to do take a little bit more research, so yeah, but 3 is not bad, and we're working our way up. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, there will be more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification to see all of my videos. I even updated my channel page, so you can see the different playlists of the various content that I have: reading, videos, vlogs, magical witchcraft stuff, and etc. So with that, I'm sweating. I'm going to sign off now. Stay safe. Stay 6 feet apart. Wash your hands. Wear the mask when you go out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.